Good day mga kamamo, all my friends and subscribers and followers of Mamovie channel at iba pa. Today, I'd like to make a follow-up on my LifeWave weight loss protocol. The one that I posted was last week, and I'd like you to know that Mamovie continues to lose weight. So, if you notice my video the last time and today, there, I'm still wearing my energy enhancer because I just had a Zoom meeting with my LifeWave family. So, just to give you a quick update, I lost more weights, and later I will show you the picture of the shorts that I used to wear in 2018 until 2019. After that, I gained weight. But last time in 2016, from 2016 to 2018, I lost weight because I had keto diet. And it was very good, but I have to exert effort to prepare the keto diet or buy the keto diet recipes. But this time with the LifeWave weight loss protocol, it's no brainer. It's so easy. All I have to do is do the weight loss protocol and then lessen my carbo and sugar and have a daily 30 minutes exercise and then intermittent fasting. Now, for those who are not into intermittent fasting, you can probably start with 12 hours fasting. When you eat in the evening, this is how you do your intermittent fasting. If you have dinner at 8 or 7 in the evening, then you only have to drink water, and then sleep in the evening, and then wake up at 8. The next meal that you will have will be around 10. But if you can prolong it at 12, much better because there's more effect on your weight loss. So that's how Mamovie lost 15 pounds from June, and now it's already August. So in only 2 months, effortless. Do I look haggard? Look at me. Do I look haggard? I am not looking haggard. So what are the patches you need for the weight loss protocol? You have the energy enhancer. Okay, I will send you together with this vlog the protocol for weight loss. Okay, so you have the energy enhancer, and then you have the glutathione, okay, and you have SP6, and finally you have the mother of all patches, the premium patch. Ta-da! You have X39. So later on, I'll have my photo I'm sorry, I'm bulol. Okay, I'm going to include in this vlog the picture wherein I'm wearing the shorts. I don't know if I can show it to you now. Let me try. Let me try if I can show you the shorts I wasn't wearing. I couldn't wear these shorts before. I couldn't wear these shorts anymore since 2020. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, I don't think I can show it to you in the video, but I will send you the picture. Me wearing the shorts. That also means I've lost more than 5 inches all over my body. Beautiful. So that's it, friends, mga kamamo. Please continue to follow my vlog. I will always keep on uploading and sharing with you good vibes, good things, especially the LifeWave patches. Mamo V loves you. So God bless you. I'll see you again. And for those who are interested of my patches, I will also include in this link. I will also include the link where you can see, where you can be a member. Or drop me a message. Again, drop me a message so I can mention your name. I'd like to thank Sarah Pia Ramos for subscribing. Relin Calma. Who else? Maria Fe Pangilinan for subscribing. Thank you so much. I love you. Continue to follow my vlogs because you will learn a lot from here. And what is my quote for today? My quote for today is God's confidence. Where do you draw your confidence from? Is it from the money you got? Is it from a relationship? Is it from the properties you have? Is it from the job you are holding on to? What is it? Because God confidence is a non-shakable confidence. Whatever situation you will go through, you will be strong, and you have a strong hold and refuge, which is God. If your confidence is in a relationship, what will happen if that relationship ends? If your confidence is in material things, what happens if you don't have money anymore? If your confidence is on your job, so what happens if you lose your job? And how about if your confidence relies on, let's say, your house, your car? What happens if you will lose it? Then you will lose your confidence. Whereas if your confidence is in the Lord, it will go on and will even go deeper and deeper. So there, mga kamamo, my friends all over the globe, that is my sharing for today. God's confidence is the most powerful that you can have. Again, have a nice day. Mamo V loves you. Goodbye. Mwah.